Hey guys, well, as you can see, we're in a bit of a snowstorm here today. We've already got about 2 or 3 inches on the ground, and we're supposed to get another 7 to 8 more inches. I don't know, we'll see. It's just one big storm over the state, and it's just looping and looping. Anyway, I decided, what the hell, I want to show you guys how beautiful this is. So, let's fly the drone. I put on a little bit of tape here to cover the vents so it won't suck any snow in. But let's hope nothing happens. Can handle, it's pretty good in this stuff, this weather. It's kind of cool. 'Cause it is really coming down hard. And, oh, low battery warning. Oh, what are you doing? Come home. Uh-oh. What's going on here? I was gonna land it in the snow, but I decided against it. Yeah, A little damp, but I mean, it's filmed in Lake Michigan twice, so it's a good drone. I know that. All right, guys. Well, thanks for watching. It's just my quick little. Why not? I mean, the TV ain't working. The internet's down. All because of the snow and everything's on satellite. The only thing we have as an option is, you know, mobile hotspot and watch Netflix or something like that. And I thought, well, I don't want to sit around. Let's go and get some beautiful photos and some video, stuff of that nature. I was supposed to be working in the shop today, but little Jack is not feeling the greatest, so I decided to stay in the house and play with him, all that stuff. But anyways, if you guys like the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to click that little bell. Lets you know when I upload a new video. And yeah, thanks for watching.